Hi everyone, my name is Vinny and this is Nimaroh Academy. So who am I? I'm the marketing strategist here at Nimaroh. Nimaroh is a company that is based in Austin, Texas that specializes in production, design, and development, right? And so what I do specifically is kind of a little bit of everything, right? I focus a lot in marketing, but I handle the money in terms of the finances and stuff like that, right? All the numbers and stuff. I'll be in meetings, I'll deal with clients, internal people, right? And what all this has done is kind of allowed me to get real world experience, right? That I wasn't able to get when I was in college. As an undergrad, I studied marketing, which was really great. I went along and got my master's and continued my education, and that was the next step. But I think what I realized then is that what you learn in the class is ultimately, it's limiting. You can only learn so much, and I think being able to run a company allowed me to get those things that you're not able to learn in class, right? Whether it's the small stuff when you're managing a team, or you're working with money and it's actually your money, right? And you've got a budget and you're nervous and all those things and the implications that takes on. So through running this company, I was able to find all the little details I feel like my education left out. I think it's pretty funny that in the 6 years that I was in school, they never actually said how you start a business, right? They never mentioned the Secretary of State or articles of formation and kind of what you have to do to actually start a legal business, right? And I thought that was always really interesting, and those are the things that I was really able to learn about by actually doing at this company. So that's what this is going to be about, just all the little things that I think, I wish I would have learned in school, and I wish, people would have told me along the way, whether it's, the paperwork, because I'm always the paperwork guy, right? Whether it's the business software, such as something like QuickBooks, right? Like I'd always learned about the basics of accounting, but you got to learn a little bit more when it comes to using business software like QuickBooks, right? Or whether it's, simple stuff and tips and tricks that I've learned in terms of going to meetings, dealing with clients, dealing with hiring people, right? These are all things that were just never touched on that I had to learn by myself. So whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or you want to learn more skills in terms of business to be more valuable at the company you're currently working at, maybe you're just a business nerd like I am, this channel is for you. And if you want to stay up to date with all the things we have going on here Nimaroh, make sure to follow us on Instagram. Till next time.